Oh shit. Hey all you cool cats and kittens, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I occasionally upload some videos and occasionally let it sit here and collect dust. So today's video is going to be a DIY vanity Hollywood style mirror. This video is also a giveaway, so stay tuned till the end to see how you can enter to win this. All the details, the due date, and what you have to do will all be at the end of the video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We'd love you to join the fam because why not be homies, you know what I'm saying? So for this project, we're gonna need a few materials. First of all, we're gonna need a mirror, obviously. I purchased this one at Big Lots. I think it was around $30, but any mirror shall do. I didn't show it in this video, but you can get command strips for the back if you want to put it on your wall. I personally just went with a sleek black look for my mirror. I wanted mine square, but you also have the option to get a circle mirror if that's what you prefer. A hot glue gun is optional for this project. The project can be done with or without it. And finally, you're gonna need some lights. The link for these ones specifically will be linked in the description box below, or stay till the end of the video to see how to enter the giveaway. In this package, it comes with these command circle sticky side things, and they also come with these suction cup things that you can put on the back of the lights, or you can use a hot glue gun. In step one, you're just going to want to untangle your vanity lights, make them a straight line and smooth. Now in this step, you have three options to put the backs on these lights. You have the suction cup, you have the command strip circles, or you have your hot glue gun. I ended up applying the circles and hot glue gun so it would have a stronger hold against the mirror. Lastly, you just want to place your lights where you like them and get an idea of how you want it to be. And then finally, your final project is done. A homemade DIY Hollywood vanity mirror made straight from you and very inexpensive. The wires that go from light bulb to light bulb are adjustable, so you have the option of either having them tight or of having them loose. And to do that, you just screw the back of the light bulb. guys, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I really hope that this helped you. If you did, if you recreated this mirror, go ahead and tweet me a picture or Snapchat me a picture, whatever. I want to see what you did. I want to see how you did it. Giveaway time, baby. To enter, rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment below what state you live in, like this video, and follow my Instagram, and you'll be entered to win this case of lights. This giveaway is going to be international, so even if you don't live around me, feel free to go ahead and, you know, enter. Because we all like to win nice stuff. We all like to win cool products, so why not? I hope you guys are staying safe, staying 6 feet apart, and enjoying your quarantine.